It's like a paint booth pumpkin. Now, some of you are probably thinking, cool, Preston, you put up a wedding tent. Yes, but it also has ventilation and very bright lights. So this is a super random video. So I'm just gonna mist black to make it look cleaner. I gotta clear those. This monstrosity has served its purpose, but it's really only useful when I'm doing earth roamer. In the last video you saw, I did those like 5 valve covers or engine covers, and that sucked because during those 3 or 4 days, I couldn't do anything else. And some of those days, it only took me a couple minutes to get the work done. So basically, I'm gonna make another paint booth. This is a 10 by 10 canopy. I think RJF Scooter sent this too. He's the one that sent me the wet sanding paper. If I'm wrong, I apologize, but I'm 90% sure he sent that too. I have no idea where the tires are gonna go. That's a nice spot because they're out of the way. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna get to it. So I'm gonna paint those, clear them, and then get to work on that. And we'll see if we can make a cleaner and more efficient workspace, because that would be wonderful. And I'm kind of tired of walking into that. It's getting old. So that's what we're doing. Super unplanned, random video, but I think this will be in the long term. This is what we need to do. So here we go. Okay, so here's what we got so far. This metal is really, really thin. So these welds are really, really bad, but I just wanted, it's gonna be wobbly, but I just didn't want any of this. Like if I bumped it, I didn't want any of it to fall out of place. Like normal, I didn't plan this out. I just thought, well, cool. If I'm only doing 2 walls, I should have enough to make this thing bigger. I kind of forgot about the ceiling. Well, that makes me sad. That's my truck. Looks like a turd. Walk outside. There's a super clean, slammed little Colorado. He's got the same front control arms I used on mine to lower it, but his is crazy clean. So, sad, but it's also motivation. There have been fires far west, so we've had some haze. A fire north of us, kind of up by PFI. As you can see, it's super hazy. It grew 10,000 acres overnight. So it's been like raining ash. It's really hard to see, but there's been ash on like everything, like on those cars and stuff. There's ash all over. Also, it was 90 degrees this morning, and it's supposed to snow tomorrow. I don't think it's actually going to snow. And it's snowing. Crazy. So nothing stuck to the roads, but an impressive amount of snow came down for being freaking September. Yeah. Freaking, it's still summer as far as I'm concerned. Bunch of garbage. I think it's about to start. It made a different noise. Come on, little girl. Come on. It's okay. Come on. You got it. You got it. It's okay. It's okay. You got it. Come on. Oh. Yeah! It has begun, and it just threw some dirt out. Gosh, dang it. Okay, so I'll blow those off in the morning. This will get all the cold air I'm bringing in, warm the shop up overnight, let these dry well. I'm gonna probably stay here for about 10 minutes and let just all the air circulate. I need to make sure. Ooh, I smell like burning dust. That has not been started for a while. Okay, that's your update to the update of the update. I'm gonna open this back door, get the shop really cold and get all the air to flow out, and then just leave that on, set it at like 80, and just let it cook overnight. Oh. Gosh, this is my seat. I usually sit on that. This is ridiculous, guys. Unbelievable. But at least I got a heater. That couldn't have been much better timing because I'm already changed into my clean clothes. I'm ready to roll. Let's see if she'll peel the wheelies with the assistance of the wet ground. Oh, that was unimpressive. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna talk a little louder. All of the microphones are not connecting to my phone, so you gotta deal with this. So video is super random. I'm already back from the next video you're gonna watch, but I have to do this now. And so I'm gonna try and do these in order. So you saw me make that and then take it down. Basically, I didn't have enough material to do the roof, but I ordered that same tent, but instead of 10 by 10, I ordered 20 by 10. So this way I can cut it to size and have more than enough material to make the roof and seal this off. So this batch of earth roamer is done. So I'm gonna throw all that in the front room. The tent is outside. The next video, you guys are gonna wanna watch it. You guys have no idea how exciting all this is. So I'm gonna throw this together, have a pretty decent little paint booth setup going on. And then I can finish the rest of Earth Roamer this week, and you guys will be seeing another video on what I just got back in town for. Some of you guys saw the sneak peek. I bought my first diesel, and I cannot express to you guys how perfect this truck is for us. The video after that will be of the Jeep. There is a lot of stuff in those boxes and in these boxes that you can't see yet. I was busy doing all this, and then we had to go out of town, and I've been getting parts for the Jeep, and it's just so. Hey, welcome back, howdy ho. So I'm gonna build that real quick. You've already seen kind of some tedious parts of me putting that together, so I'm gonna make it really fast, and we'll see how well it ventilates and see how it looks. That was the biggest thing, is I could have made that work, but I would have had to throw basically that tarp over it as a roof, and it was starting to look really clean with just the white and all the little windows. Like it looked nice, and I like that. So instead of making it look like crap like everything else we got going on here, blue wall, I thought let's wait the extra couple days to make it nice. So in that box there is a 10 by 20. That's enough of me talking. Let's see what it looks like. Now, some of you are probably thinking, cool, Preston, you put up a wedding tent. Yes, but it also has ventilation and very bright lights. Our doorway includes a zipper, which is quite nifty. When things are drying in here, it can stay sealed. I have 3 of these $20. By the way, if you have a Walmart near you, these were 20 bucks and they're freaking bright. So those are $20 a pop. We got 3 of them. I have to get a different extension cord, and I want to try and get that out of the booth. All the other actual sockets are outside of the booth, which I like. Right here, we have combined going over the booth. We have 50 feet of dryer venting as our ventilation, and I will show you how that works. It's very complicated. We have 2 Harbor Freight dust collectors, as we have always had. I take that back. Previously in my other actual booth, I only had one of these, and this is about the same size, and I have two of these, so this thing is gonna filter incredibly well. So two of those, the two go up, suck fumes in. These two go up all the way back yonder, and then there's a filter before they exit, or two filters rather. The cool thing too is when this is zipped up and those are turned on, all of these walls slowly cave in. So you can tell that while it's not airtight, like completely actually airtight, there's enough suction coming from those that it's keeping 100% of the fumes inside because it's pulling air from all the seams. This was a 10 by 20 and I shortened it to a 10 by like 16 and a half. So I just cut, as you see right there and right there. So I did that on both sides, and then all I had to do was do that on that center piece, which was really nice. I thought I was gonna have to do some weird math with the angles, but I was able to just cut it out of the center there and voila. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but it is really bright in here. I have plenty of light, even with there not being a light over there, just the light is so reflective off everything. This is gonna be huge. I'm really excited. Okay, I show you the sucky suck. So obviously it's nothing crazy, but you could definitely see the walls moving, which is impressive because there are air gaps all over. I mean, in basically every corner. The whole ground isn't like airtight. You know, literally on every inch of pipe, nothing is actually airtight. So that's sucking so much that it's still pulling enough to make you get it. So it's pretty cool. Another convenient thing, my outlets are right here and my thermostat is right here. And I can just unzip that wall and get to both of them. So that's convenient. We'll have a little bit of natural sunlight coming through there. I'll be able to look inside my booth when I'm cutting film. I'll be able to see if anyone sneaks in the shop. So the rest of the shop is a giant mess, which is why I'm ending this video here, because I have a lot of work to do. I have one complete earth roamer set done. I have two more to go, and I'm running a little behind as far as the month goes because we had to go to Idaho to get what you are gonna see next. So today is Monday. I will put that video up Wednesday. So be looking for it Wednesday evening. So Thursday morning, Wednesday evening, you'll see. And no, it's not a Suburban. Someone guessed it was a Suburban. Why would I go out of state to buy a gas Suburban? Anyways, lots of stuff for the Jeep. You guys know I'm busy. I'm doing as much as I can. Sorry, it was like 2 weeks of not posting anything. But I don't want to put up junk. If it takes me an extra week to put up something, not that this video was cinematic or Academy Award winning or anything, but I want to show you guys progression. So if I'm busy and I got nothing exciting to show you because my day job of picking up appliance boxes and driving a truck to the airport is not, that's not view worthy. So this was a huge step for me. I'm sorry, you guys, it looks like a giant wedding jack-o'-lantern paint booth thing. It's very festive for no reason at all. The other cool thing too is that's gonna you could see on the roof already, it's dirty. So that white's gonna show all the dust. So I could literally take my garden hose in there and literally spray the walls down and the roof for that matter and get all the dust out of there completely. Don't have a place for the fridge or like, I don't know what's going on. So that's why I'm gonna let you go because I got a lot of work to do. Next video will be up Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Watch that. It's a huge step for the channel. And I was very stressed. I had a lot of chaos going on in my head. I've never worked this much in my life. I've never been this busy. And I let some of the YouTube comments get to my head. I had grown men causing drama and just all that collected in like the last 2 months. And it was a lot to wrestle in my head. I'm by myself all day. So just all that combined was just like, it was eating at me and I let it and I shouldn't. And I'm glad it happened now instead of in 2 years from now when there's a lot more people saying mean things and there are a lot more grown men trying to cause drama. So I got all that handled, which is good. We have a wedding venue paint booth, which is cool. We have a lot of parts for the Jeep. Not a lot, but we have about what we need to get it going. I spent a lot of money. I spent a lot of money. So compared to what I usually do, it's still a good chunk of money. Anyways, that's all I got. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being patient. You'll love the next video. Hopefully as much as I love what I bought. Super, super excited. You guys will see. Trust me, it's worth watching. It's sick, guys. We're moving in the right direction. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a few days.